Apple is getting ready to turn your finger into the next big gadget, after iPhones, AirPods, and Apple Watches. Now comes the product nobody asked for, but everybody will probably talk about non-stop. The Apple Ring is suddenly looking real, and the latest leaks are making it sound like Apple's most futuristic device yet. This is not just another tiny fitness tracker. Apple wants this ring to become a silent controller for your entire digital life. A small piece of metal sitting on your finger could unlock your Mac, control smart home devices, verify payments, track your health, and connect with every Apple product around you. That sounds crazy, but honestly, so did wireless earbuds before AirPods exploded everywhere. What makes the Apple Ring different is how Apple may use gestures. Instead of tapping screens all day, users could rotate fingers to adjust volume, swipe in the air to scroll apps or control devices without touching them. Imagine changing songs while your phone stays in your pocket, or controlling your Apple TV without hunting for the remote again. Of course, there will probably be moments where somebody accidentally skips music while fixing their hair, but that is part of the chaos of new tech. Apple also seems focused on making technology feel invisible. The ring would work quietly in the background instead of demanding attention every few seconds like phones do now. That could become one of its biggest selling points. No giant screen, no constant notifications flashing in your face, just quick actions, silent tracking, and instant connections. Security may become another huge feature. Reports suggest the Apple Ring could act like a permanent digital key. Your Mac could unlock when you sit near it. Your house door could recognize you instantly. Apps and payments might work without passwords or Face ID, because the ring itself confirms your identity. Basically, your finger becomes the password. That sounds futuristic until you realize losing the ring could become more stressful than losing your wallet. Battery life is still the biggest challenge. Apple Watches already need to be constantly charged, and shrinking that tech into a ring sounds difficult. However, Apple may solve this by letting the ring depend heavily on the iPhone for processing power. Instead of doing everything alone, that could help keep the ring light, thin, and comfortable while saving battery at the same time. Nobody wants another device begging for a charger every few hours. Health tracking will probably play a massive role too. Many people hate sleeping with a smartwatch on their wrist all night. A smart ring fixes that problem instantly. The Apple Ring could quietly track sleep, heart rate, temperature, recovery, stress levels, and daily movement without feeling bulky or distracting. And if users wear both the Apple Watch and the Ring together, Apple could combine data from both devices for even deeper health tracking. Your body is basically becoming a live analytics project at this point. The biggest reason this product feels believable now is that the smart ring market already exists. Companies proved people are willing to wear smart jewelry, and Apple clearly sees an opportunity to dominate another category. The Apple Ring could launch sometime in late 2026, possibly alongside the iPhone 18 lineup or new Apple Watch models. The expected price could land between $299 and $499, depending on features, materials, and health tracking capabilities. So the real question is simple. Would you actually wear a smart ring every day, or is this another expensive Apple trend waiting to happen? Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.